Tragic Darshan. After the capture of Kabul by the Taliban and after President Ashraf Ghani fleeing the country and leaving behind the citizens of Afghanistan, the Vice President Amarullah Saleh declared himself as the
Right.
caretaker president of Afghanistan and Panjshir, the provision for
Okay.
which is in the Constitution of Afghanistan. The Tajikistan embassy has
Right.
replaced Ashraf Ghani's photo with Amarullah Saleh's photo. Amarullah Saleh has said that we have not lost and has asked the world to help him. In this context, sir,
Right.
can you tell us about how the situations will develop and is there a ray of hope in Afghanistan?
Ma'am, you have asked a very, very pertinent question regarding the anti-Taliban alliance, which is a new development which is taking place in Panjshir area, and it has been started because of the initiative, a very daring initiative by Amullah Saleh, who is the Vice President of Afghanistan. As per the Constitution of Afghanistan, when the President runs away, he goes away, he gives up. You know, the way Ashraf Ghani has given up, and he actually colluded. He is actually, the by coup he has brought the Taliban, especially, Mullah Brother, and the way the UAE has played the game, by naming on Doha, Qatar, these are the things, now it is known to the whole world. And I have been saying that the Pakistan started in 2018 when Mullah Brother was released from the jail of Pakistan and then given a face and of political establishment of Taliban, and they convinced the Americans, and Americans came into the trap, and in that trap the others who were sitting they wanted to put the America down of their strategic space to occupy and look absolutely ridiculous. It's standing in the world order. Iran, Russia, China, Pakistan, again frontline state. Now coming to what happened in Panjshir, location has to be understood. Panjshir is a landlocked. It is landlocked from outside the province of Afghanistan, out of 34 provinces. See, there are, north of it, north of Panjshir, Badakhshan area, province, which you can open the route of traditional route to Tajikistan, on which the northern lands has been always functioning, and Panjshir has never in the history has fallen to the Taliban. Kunduz, Takhar, these are the areas which Taliban this time has very, very intelligently got these people. Even the Tajiks are there, Uzbeks are there. Those people have also a little bit have joined the hand, and that's why these northern provinces have fallen so fast. So this is also has to be opened up if something has to come from the top. And I'm very sure, because now Russians have shown the Americans his place, and they must have taken the revenge of what they felt the humiliations when the USSR was actually disintegrated, and now the Russian, because of the Americans, same Taliban, same Pakistan, and they used it against it, Al Qaeda and all. Now the Russians are, they have taught the lesson to the Americans. Probably they will, also join and help as subsequent. China will not get into it. Pakistan, no way. Turkey, no way. But Iran and Russia, to a certain extent, I feel that, if the situation develops, they will. Because the brutality in the way they, these Taliban is coming, they are saying, they are saying one thing, but doing, and the whole world is witnessing what is happening in Kabul, what has happened into Herat, what happened to other provinces. 14.2 million women are subjugated. More or less, they want, these Talibanis, these jihadis, these terrorists, wants to make them as an object of their or their passion. This nothing more than that, and they are talking about that they will give it the rightful place. They are saying through Sharia they will. The whole world must join the hand, at least for 14.2 million women. when the world has got 3.8 billion women. Women of the world has to rise against this to save 14.2 million women of Afghanistan. And any civilized world, you just can't leave it to the vultures the way they are treating. And the video has come in from the Pakistan itself, from Karachi, where 400 these vultures are pouncing on a single lady from the same community who was just making a video. This is what is the Talibanization of Pakistan. Is a totally, it is a notion, it is a way they are doing it, and they have done it from those madrasas, which is totally radicalized. UAE, in my judgment, to a certain extent, Saudi Arabia, they may be showing that they have gone more modernized, they are opening up, because it is drying up with the the resources. But at the same time, UAE is full in hand this time, the way they have been doing it, and by proxy, by a coup, by contractors and money. Contractors is a big game who has played in Afghanistan. They have brought, and I must congratulate Amarullah Saleh, 48 years old, who has been the chief of NDS, National Directorate of Security Afghanistan, who is a man, and along with him the son of Ahmad Shah Massoud, the Ahmad Massoud, he has joined the hand. He is getting everyone, even the Afghanistan army commandos, or the who wanted to fight, they are all gravitating towards the Panjshir. They should immediately try to do something with the other northern provinces and open a venue for alliances like this, which is Panjshir resistance. It is happening. Cascading effect is taking place. What we have seen in Jalalabad, Taliban opened fire. More resistance will come. It is not going to be towards this. 32.5 million people of Afghanistan has to fight this battle themselves. See, by proxy, by coup, the armed forces of Afghanistan has been mollycoddled. They have been told that they have given the arms, but I think the way they have been, they were not given pay. Their terms of engagement was 5 years. After that, there was no other joint to run away. Desertion is very high. I think it was all doing, and very smartly the Pakistan has done it as the frontline state of China and others, and doing it. So there is a big hope, as per me is concerned, and very good development, geostrategic development. Thank you.